to show you just real quick how to turn off the limit of 20 miles per hour on the Velotric Packer one and the Velotric Go one. If you have the same display, it should be the same kind of process here, but let me show you how to do this. First, you have to make sure it's turned off, and then you have to enter in the menu in the power off state. Long press power and the plus sign, power and the plus sign together for 20 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then this speed thing comes up. It's listed in kilometers per hour. And then all you have to do is 32 kilometers per hour is 20 miles an hour. Pretty close there. And then you can just hit the plus button there to increase the speed. Goes up to 40 is the top that it goes to. And then when you're done, just push power to shut it off. And then you'll have the max power of 25 miles an hour will be unlocked for you. And that's how you do it. It's really that easy. Any questions or comments? Let us know.